As more people seek efficient, space-saving heating solutions, wall-mounted electric radiators are growing in demand, especially among typists and gamers who value a clutter-free setup and consistent warmth. These heaters combine sleek form factors with smart functionality, and this guide evaluates each model based on switch type.
List number 1. Drio Smart Wall Heater. Electric Space Heater for Bedroom, 1500W. The Drio Smart Wall Heater is a standout in the wall-mounted radiator category, thanks to its powerful 1500W PTC ceramic heater and wide 120-degree vertical oscillation. The broad oscillation helps distribute warm air evenly from top to bottom, quickly reaching all corners of a room, a feature particularly attractive to typists or gamers who need cozy, stable temperatures without hotspots. One of its strongest features is smart control. You can manage the heater via the Drio app, set up schedules, or even use voice commands through Alexa or Google Home. The built-in thermostat is impressively precise, offering temperature adjustment from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. For safety, the unit includes overheat protection, and the shell is made of flame-retardant materials. Installation is fairly straightforward. Drio provides a drilling guide, wall mount brackets, and a reusable filter for maintenance. The remote control and 24-hour timer add convenience, while the low-noise operation makes it ideal for quiet environments. According to reviews, it works well as a primary heater in a 200-square-foot room or as supplemental heating for larger spaces.
List number 2. Furseal 800W Plug-in Convection Electric Panel Wall Heater. The Furseal 800W panel wall heater is a solid choice for medium-sized rooms or secondary heating when you want something less aggressive than a 1500W unit. According to its specs, it can heat up to roughly 150 square feet, making it an excellent pick for bedrooms, small offices, or gaming spaces where background warmth is enough. What sets this heater apart is its smart functionality. It supports mobile app control and works with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can adjust the thermostat, schedule when the heater turns on or off, and monitor usage remotely, ideal for setting it to warm up the space before you arrive or shut off while you sleep. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The Furseal unit includes overheat protection, automatic shutoff, and a cool touch exterior so you don't have to worry about accidentally burning yourself if you brush past it. The convection design uses a built-in fan that gently circulates air, improving the speed at which warmth spreads without becoming noisy.
List number 3. Space heater for indoor use 600 watts. For those prioritizing ultra-low power consumption and minimal design, a 600-watt panel or convection heater is often the best fit. A good example is the Amaze Heater Maxi 600-watt electric convection model. This heater is wall-mountable, uses natural convection, so no fan noise, and provides gentle, consistent warmth. The Amaze unit is ETL certified and triple insulated for safety, which is key if you're going to have it mounted on a wall. It's designed to be energy efficient. It consumes only 0.4 kilowatts per hour, which means 400 watts is a draw averaged, potentially helping to reduce your overall heating costs when used as a supplemental or zonal heating source. Though slower to heat a room compared to high-wattage heaters, its convection-based heating is quiet and won't stir up dust, making it a good option for allergy-sensitive users. The panel itself remains safely warm but not scorching. However, it lacks a built-in smart thermostat or app control, so temperature adjustments are manual and you may not get the scheduling convenience of more advanced models. In short, this 600-watt wall heater excels in modest heating scenarios, where energy savings, quiet operation, and a clean, minimal design are more important than rapid heat or heavy-duty power.
List number 4. Drio Smart Wall Heater IP24 Easy-Mounted PTC Space Heater. If you're looking for a smart wall-mounted heater that's safe for moisture-prone areas, the Drio Smart Wall Heater IP24 is a strong contender. Rated IP24, it's designed to resist light splashes and humidity, making it suitable for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even enclosed balconies. This model packs in 1500 W of PTC ceramic heating power, delivering efficient, consistent warmth. The airflow is optimized for quiet operation, about 28 decibels, and it includes 30-degree manual oscillation to help warm the room gradually and evenly. Safety is well addressed. Overheat protection, flame retardant materials, and moisture rating give added peace of mind. Smart controls are very flexible. You can operate it via the Drio app, remote control, or with voice via Alexa. It also supports scheduling and has an adjustable thermostat, allowing you to set your preferred temperature precisely. The installation method is also great. The mounting system is designed for easy installation with a template provided, and once wall-mounted, it takes up minimal space. One consideration is that IP-rated models tend to cost more than non-rated ones, but for areas where dampness or water exposure might be a concern, the IP24 protection is a worthwhile trade-off. Overall, this Drio heater balances smart functionality, safety, and durability in a compact design tailored for moist environments.
List number 5. Balu Convection Panel Heater for Large Room, 1500 W. The Balu Convection Panel Heater, 1500 W, is a high-capacity, energy-efficient option for large rooms. Built with a patented Hedgehog aluminum heating element, this radiator warms quickly. Users report noticeable heat within about 30 seconds after switching it on. Its aluminum fins increase the surface area for heat exchange, helping the heater warm up a room of up to 230 to 250 square feet in a reasonable time. Control-wise, the Balu panel offers a remote control, a digital TFT display, a 24-hour timer, and a programmable thermostat. These options make it easy to schedule heating around your daily routine, turning the heater on before you start work or switching it off automatically overnight to save energy. From a safety standpoint, the heater includes overheat protection and tip-over prevention, though as a wall-mounted convection panel, the risk of tipping is low. The design is fanless, meaning you won't hear a blower while it's running. Instead, the warmth comes via natural convection, which contributes to its whisper-quiet operation. The energy efficiency is particularly impressive. Balu claims up to 37% savings on running costs compared to less efficient heaters. However, some users note that reaching full room comfort can take up to 1 to 2 hours in very large or poorly insulated spaces. But for those who prefer a reliable, unobtrusive, and economical heating solution, the Balu convection panel is a top-tier choice.